We had a fascinating visit to eastern Ukraine today, starting off around Slovyanska, visiting the town of Popasna, seeing all aspects of the ongoing conflict that's there. We met with displaced persons. We very much want to see peace here.
Ми дуже хочемо, щоб тут був мир.
We want to see people have we want to see normal lives.
Ми хочемо, щоб життя нормалізувалося, щоб було нормальним у вас.
It'll take a lot of effort, but let's hope, all this hope that we can get there.
Я выражаю мнение всех и каждого. Мы за мир, мы против войны.
Мы молимся за вашу мир.
We met with the OSCE monitors, we met with international humanitarian organizations, and we also took part in a ceremony commemorating USAID's donation of a $125 million project. All of this is important because we are highlighting the impact that the conflict is having on the people that are living there today, still 4 years after this began. There's a tremendous humanitarian impact. This is in the form of displaced persons, outbreaks of tuberculosis that affect the health climate for everybody, severe environmental damage, lack of economic opportunity, physical threats to the population from landmines and unexploded ordnance and even snipers. And this is happening still in 2018, 4 years after the conflict began. The most impressive thing about the visit today was the strength and the resilience of the Ukrainian people themselves. They have suffered enormously through this conflict in all kinds of ways, and yet nonetheless they are strong, they are determined, they are rebuilding, and they are determined to find peace. And we're going to do everything we can to support them in that quest for peace.